Are you looking for the best treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the best treadmill on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. GOYOUTH 2-in-1 Under Desk Electric Treadmill. There are plenty of good reasons the GOYOUTH Under Desk Treadmill has gone viral on TikTok. It has a durable steel frame, a multi-layer belt that helps lessen noise, and a wireless Bluetooth speaker on board so you can listen to music while you exercise. No need to bend down every time you want to adjust the speed. This treadmill comes with its own remote control. Use it to set a consistent speed or toggle through preset variable speed programs to keep you on your toes. The GOYOUTH treadmill reaches a maximum speed of 3.7 miles per hour, which should be fast enough to cover a bit of distance as you use it throughout the day. It also has a large LED display that shows your time, calories burned, steps taken, speed, and distance traveled. With a price often below $400, the GOYOUTH stretches your dollar further than other treadmills. It's also worth noting that this treadmill comes with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty, so if any unwelcome surprises pop up, you should be covered. Number 2. Hccsport Treadmill with Removable Desk. Hccsport has created a desk treadmill that rivals the machines you'll find at a fitness center with the added advantage of a built-in workstation. It goes up to 8 miles per hour, features adjustable incline levels of up to 6%, and offers 12 preset high-impact interval training (HIIT) programs to take your fitness to the next level. When you want to use it while working, you can easily attach the desk workstation to create a surface for an iPad or laptop. It also folds up for easy storage, but it's worth noting that it weighs a whopping 85 pounds, so you probably won't want to move it around very often. Overall, users love how versatile, durable, and quiet this treadmill seems to be. Some customers also say it would make a great gift for a partner. Says one reviewer, "I'm highly satisfied with this purchase and am contemplating buying another one for my wife." Number 3. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Those who are taller than 6 feet may need to shorten their stride, given the shorter length of the belt. If you want an exercise machine that will pull double duty as an under-the-desk treadmill and a jogging machine, the Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is right for you. It goes up to 2.5 miles per hour when its handrail is lowered and up to 7.5 miles per hour when it's lifted, so you can really pick up some speed on this baby. The Goplus, which is available in 7 different color options, features a stainless steel frame that's sure to hold up well over time. Go ahead and put it to the test daily, this treadmill can handle it. Besides that, the Goplus offers an easy installation, a built-in Bluetooth speaker, a spot to rest your phone so you can read documents or take meetings, and a remote control for adjusting speed. It features a foldable design and built-in wheels for moving and storing it. Says one reviewer, "This walking pad is really fun to use and works well for the price. It was easy to put together, and you can slide it under a bed or couch when you aren't using it." Number 4. Maksone Under Desk Wooden Walking. Eager to get a jump on the cozy cardio trend? Check out this under-desk treadmill from Maksone. It's the only one on the list that has cabin-inspired wooden accents, which gives it a cozier feel for a home office, or even a living room. It hits speeds of up to 3.7 miles per hour, not so fast as to make you drip with sweat, but definitely enough to let you know that you're moving. There's a remote control you can use to adjust the speed, as well as a bright LED display so you can track your metrics. It also includes 12 different walking programs to keep your daily strolls interesting. Customers who've bought this treadmill say it hits all the right notes. Says one reviewer, "I am super happy with this purchase. It feels very durable and fairly high quality, and the belt has not had any alignment issues." Number 5. Sperax Under Desk Treadmill Walking. At sub-$200, this machine from Sperax makes under-desk treadmill exercise accessible to a pretty wide range of people. But the low price is just the beginning of reasons to consider it. It clocks in at just 40 pounds, making it one of the lightest machines we've evaluated. It would be a great gift for a grandparent who wants to increase their activity throughout the day without using anything too cumbersome. This treadmill hits speeds of up to 3.8 miles per hour, and you can use a remote to control the settings. Its LED screen displays your speed, calories, distance, and duration. And it's designed to be both shock absorbing and noise minimizing. Your joints and your ears will love it. Says one reviewer, I recently purchased the Sperax walking pad, and I couldn't be happier with my choice. This under-desk treadmill has exceeded my expectations in every aspect.